Hello there, this is Patricia from Pinky's World. I forgot where I was from there. And I'm on sketch number 15. So pop these out of the road. You get 3 pieces in this one. I have gone ahead and layered them up. I totally forgot myself and just got carried away and layered them up already for you. So that's the order they go in according to your colours that you've cut from your papers, from the original ones. I'm going to try and make sure I get my card the right way up this time. So I have decided to back my sketch up with a piece of the fresh freesia, and as I'm running done, I wanted to gut it so that I could use that bit to layer these up. So it's a great idea if you're running low on paper like myself or card. I've used that so much with my Christmas ones that I'm running out. So I'm going to stick this on first, and then we'll continue on and see. I'm actually going to open up a new glue because I'm fed up playing about with those other tubes. So this one, I only want to stick around the edges first because I've got the card and I don't want it going right through till I'm ready. So we'll just stick this bit on. You follow the instructions, the sizes are all there. And for the layering of these bits, I've went a bit smaller. I didn't want it so bulky, as I'm going to explain now what I'm turning them into. So we'll just stick this on the back. Look at those lollipops. Summer is nearly gone over here. And so are the lollipops. Unless we get a nice Indian summer, as they call it, or late summer. So we'll stick all this in place. Double check I've got my card. You'll get a laugh if you watch my previous, one of my Christmas videos, I think. No, I made a Halloween card with it. It was upside down. Ugh. So the card opens like this, which is not good for anybody. But I will fix it. So that is my base card. And then you can see this one has to go here. The biggest one in the center, and this one lower. So just go by the sketch, adjust your pieces, and then maybe start with the center one. If you get it sort of centered in the card, that'll keep the rest of them right for you. I'm hoping anyway. So when I first looked at these 3 pieces, I said, oh my God, what am I going to do? But then all of a sudden, what I could see were 3 candles. So I decided to turn them all into birthday candles. Just trying to make sure that is in the center, top, bottom, and sides. I hope it is. Very hard to line it up with this paper because the lines aren't straight. So keep your fingers crossed. This one will push here, maybe down a wee bit, and this one will go here, maybe up a wee bit, and that gives them a nice wee grouping. So we're just going to stick them all in place, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to turn them into candles. You may not have this set as a retired set that I'm going to use, but it just came to my head when I looked at the sketch, and it inspired me to go with birthday candles. So that looks not too bad. Maybe a wee bit further over this side. This one will not want to move, of course. Not a great deal, but a wee bit. So I think that is straight. I'm hoping it's straight. Doesn't look too bad. So what I did, blabbering on too much as usual, I pulled out this old stamp set and matching framelits, and inside you get this wee one here that cuts the candle top. So I thought, perfect, they will just sit like so and turn these into candles. Then I was going to go with the wish, and I thought it was a wee bit too big for my card. So I got the stamp set out and I stamped Hooray using the matching colour fresh freesia, and I'm going to plonk it over the top so it covers all areas, and then I'm going to do a wee bit of stamping top and bottom and hope for the best. So I think it's not a bad idea. It pleased me. So I cut these out in the yellow, what do you call it, yellow? Bumblebee. I think it's Bumblebee or else Daffodil Delight, I can't remember now. So it was just a scrap of headlamp, it was yellow, so it worked perfect. Any shade of yellow, I'm sure. And I'm sure you could hand cut these if you haven't got that particular stamp set. You could hand cut the shape. So I'm plonking those 3 on to the candles, or to make them look like candles. And then this is going to go across the top, like so. It says hooray. So I've backing dimensionals on this already. So we'll stick it. I just hand cut around it. Probably not very well, but it pleases me. So you can put it like so, or whatever looks best for yourself. I'm just going to go down a wee bit. Hooray. And I'm going to go over that with my Wink of Stella, I think, and colour that in. Now, I was wondering, should I stamp the sentiments? I'm going with It's Your Birthday, and I wanted to put it up here, but it needs to be fairly black. Is that too high? Is that too low? I think I will go in between those 2 colours. So I'm going to go Blackberry Bliss instead of the Fresh Freesia, just to make sure that it stood out a wee bit more. And Blackberry Bliss is part of the colour family of this particular card. So I'm going to just go to the edge. It's Your Birthday, fairly nice. I'm happy enough with that. And the other one I'm using is Let's Celebrate You. So I will just put it down here somewhere, right here. That is going to be too low, so it'll have to be here. I'll just do it in the same colorway. So you're going from 3 wee scraps of paper to a nice wee birthday card. Can't beat it. Do come and join in. It is great fun. Honestly, it really is. So, Wink of Stella. Just add your Wink of Stella to the candles, and it automatically just gives them a nice wee sparkle. Use your glitter glue, whatever you have to hand, and then you can follow around the letters, and it lifts that whole colour and gives it all a nice wee sparkle. And it's really easy with this brush on this. It's really easy to follow these letters. I mean, you could simply stamp Happy Birthday in the centre and cut around it, whatever. But I'm really happy with it. I think it turned out so different. I wasn't expecting, when I was looking at these, I just said, how am I going to cope with this one? But look, it did turn out easy. I think they just cried out candles to me. Don't know why, but they did. Now, that's me. That is card number 15. Oh my goodness, I've one more to go in this category. And then that's me finish this section, and then next week I'll finish my wee Christmas ones. So come and join us. All the details are down below. 3 great prizes up for offer, and we would just love to see all your inspirational work. So we'll catch you all again later. Bye.